He thought it was just an ordinary cough, but it wasn't. Because 3 months later, that small cough almost took his life. This is the story of Emeka, a 27-year-old mechanic from a quiet village in Anambra State. He was strong, cheerful and hardworking, the kind of man who never missed a day at his workshop. It all started one cold morning. Emeka had just opened the little mechanic shop. The air was dusty and he felt a small itch in his throat. He coughed once, twice, and laughed. It's just ordinary cough, he thought. He drank some tea and continued fixing a customer's car. His friends teased him. Emeka, na harmattan dey worry you. He laughed, coughed again and waved it off. After all, everyone coughs once in a while, right? Days passed, then weeks, but the cough refused to go away. Instead, it became deeper, louder and painful. Every night, Emeka woke up drenched in sweat, not from the heat, but from fever and chills. His mother noticed. "My son," she said one night, "this cough is not ordinary. Go to the clinic." But Emeka only smiled. "Mama, it's just ordinary cough. I go buy cough syrup tomorrow." He did buy cough syrup, mixed herbs, ginger tea. He even chewed garlic. He did everything except going to the hospital. Weeks turned into months. He began to lose weight. His eyes sank in and his laughter faded. But still, he told himself it's nothing, it will pass. Then one morning, while tightening a bolt under a taxi, he coughed again, so hard this time. He felt something warm rise to his throat. When he pulled his handkerchief to his face, there was blood. Emeka froze. His heart pounded fast. He looked around. No one saw. He quickly wiped the blood and threw the handkerchief away. But inside, fear filled his heart. That evening, his mother saw him shivering and weak. That evening, his mother saw him shivering and weak. She didn't wait anymore. She took him straight to the small clinic at the edge of the village. The nurse looked at him carefully and asked, "How long have you been coughing?" Emeka whispered, "Almost 3 months." She nodded slowly. "We will need to run a test." A few hours later, the result came. Guess what? Emeka had tuberculosis. Emeka was silent. He couldn't believe it. He kept whispering, "TB. Me? But I thought it was just catarrh." The nurse placed her hand gently on his shoulder. "You'll be fine," she said. "TB is curable, but only if we catch it early." That day changed everything. Emeka began his treatment immediately. It wasn't easy. Every day he took his drugs faithfully. He rested more. He stopped working for a while. His mother never left his side. Slowly he started to feel stronger. The cough stopped. The fever disappeared. Months later, Emeka returned to his workshop, smiling, healthier, and full of gratitude. Now, whenever someone around him coughs for long, he stops them and says, "Please go and test. Don't wait like I did. Don't call it ordinary." Not all coughs are ordinary. Some can be tuberculosis, and we can only detect that by going to get tested at a health center. Thank you for watching. Go ahead to follow for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.